Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ABD. If you're a new subscriber on my channel, I want to appreciate you guys. Thank you for subscribing and thanks for being part of the family. And to my returning subscribers, I love you guys a lot. So today we're going to be making sandwich and I'm going to introduce you quickly to our recipe. So guys, what we'll need for this recipe is bread, egg, sweet corn, tuna chunks, mayonnaise, mustard, butter, black pepper, and salt to taste. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my tuna open. Yeah, this is already making a mess here. And then I'll turn it off into a strainer to strain off the water. Leave that to strain off. For the sweet corn as well, I'm going to cut that open. So I always try as much as I can to rinse off any preservative inside of it, so I'm going to do that now. So now that I am done rinsing, I'm going to turn them in the sieve and allow that to strain off any excess water. So now that this is done, I'm going to go ahead and squash this with a fork. They are in chunks, so I have to spread them out. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and add the squashed eggs. Then give that a mix. Then I'll go ahead to add some black pepper. Just a little bit, not too much, just a tiny bit. Then I'll go ahead to add some pinch of salt and give that a stir. After mixing that, then I'll add my sweet corn. I'm not going to add everything, just a little bit. It's not too much. And give that another stir. Then I'll go ahead to add the mustard. Just a little bit, not too much, just a tiny bit. Now I'll go ahead to mix that. Then the last but not the least, I'm going to go ahead and add the mayonnaise. Now go ahead to mix that as well. Guys, I wish you can receive this. New to this channel, please consider subscribing and share this video with your friends. So now this is done. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to spread this out here of foil. That's where I'm going to place my bread, and then I'll pick one of a slice of bread and add some butter to it. I just spread that just thinly. Just spread it thinly across, just like this. I'll go ahead to add my filling. On the other side of the bread, I'm going to spread out some butter in it as well. Spread them out thinly and then place it above it. Give that a little bit of push. Press it down a little bit. Then you go ahead to cut it across. It depends on you. Some people prefer to cut their bread this way, while some people prefer to cut this way, but I think I'll go for this. I love cutting my bread this way, so I'm going to do this. And that's it. So I'll place that on the side here. I'm going to show you guys one more time. Spread some butter across the bread. Add the filling. On another slice of bread, add some butter. That's optional. Place it over the other slice and cut across. And here we go, guys. Breakfast is ready. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys like what you see. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment box and I'll wait to read from you guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till I come your way again next time, stay cool and be happy. Bye bye.